Hello, we're Group 406, and during the past couple of months, we've been working on this game called The Maze. At the semester start, we were introduced to courses this project would revolve around: audio processing, design and analysis of experiments, and physical interface design. Through initial research of these subjects, we decided it would be interesting to try and see if we could improve the performance of players solving a labyrinth or maze by guiding them with audio. Therefore, we formulated the initial problem statement. How can audio cues be used to improve the performance of a player navigating through a labyrinth or maze game? With this problem statement in mind, we began our analysis of labyrinths and mazes, audio processing, nudging, state of the art, and more. It was through this analysis we were able to formulate the final problem statement. How can audio processing effects be used to make audio cues that assist a player navigating a digital 3D maze, thereby decreasing the path length and the time taken to complete? We then put together a list of design requirements for the application we wanted to make. Now we could start the design of the application. Our first iteration relied on panning, amplification, attenuation, and the implementation of audio cues to guide the player inside the maze from start to finish. This iteration was evaluated upon during our fourth semester midterm and received feedback from both the students and the course teachers. Based on this feedback, various improvements and changes were made. The focus of our second iteration test was usability. To test the usability, we reached out to online communities in order to gather the data we needed. After evaluation of the usability data, we prepared our third and final iteration, and we will now show a short clip of the gameplay and the audio cues test participants had to rely on for navigation in the final test. For the final test, we set up an experiment with the following null and alternative hypothesis. Audio cues do not increase the performance of a player solving a digital 3D maze, and audio cues do increase the performance of a player solving a digital 3D maze. We then collected data from two groups of participants, one group who had audio cues available and one that did not. We measured the time taken to finish the game and the length of the path taken by test participants. Through statistical analysis, it was concluded that we were able to reject our null hypothesis in favor of our alternative hypothesis, and thereby answering our final problem statement.